Hey everybody, what's going on? It's bassplay12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Happy New Year. I just woke up a couple of hours ago, so I'm still like, just a long night. But anyway, Happy New Year. It's January 1st, 2019. I just wanted to wish you guys a Happy New Year. I had a great 2018. Thank you guys for just being awesome, hanging with me with bass covers and all the other things that I post here on YouTube. What I wanted to also do is thank you guys for hanging with me for 10 years. I've been on YouTube for 10 years. Actually, yesterday was my 10-year anniversary, but I spent the day hiking. So I didn't get a chance to upload anything on telling you guys that, so I'm telling it to you a day late. So check this out. So 10 years ago, I mean, I'll have to go back and figure out if there's a way to find out who my first subscriber was. But 10 years later, and you guys are still with me. You can see from my older videos, I had darker hair, I didn't have glasses, and 10 years is a lot to you. But anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys again for 2018, and those of you that have been with me all of these years, and just look forward to 2019. So what I wanted to do is just figure out on the first day of this new year, what are you guys looking for as far as what do you want me to do within my channel here? So if you guys can go up here and click on this little eye, I have basically a survey for you guys to just take a few minutes, maybe not that long, just to tell me what you guys want to see more of. Do you guys want to see more tutorials? Do you guys want to see just the same thing I've been doing? Do you guys want to see easy songs that you guys can play? I'm curious just what you guys are looking for. So if you can hit up this eye and take that survey, and if there's something that you want to tell me that is not in that survey, just hit me up in the comment section. I'll read every one just to find out what you guys want to see in this new year. But so all in all, I just want to thank you guys for hanging with me for however many years of the 10 years that you guys have been with me. I appreciate every person, every comment, every like, every subscriber, just the whole thing. And then I also want to wish you guys a happy 2019 first day of the year. So again, hit up this eye if you want to take the survey and just let me know what you guys want to see more of. Hit me up in the comments section.